In this video, I'm going to be showing y'all the best method for storing your mushroom cultures. Before we get started, y'all don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. First things first, we're going to make some water agar. In order to do that, I'll take 10 grams of agar, add that to 500 milliliters of water, then I'll sterilize that at 15 psi for 45 minutes. After the agar has been sterilized, I'll pour my plates and let them cool down. Then I'll inoculate them with my favorite culture. So now that I've got my favorite culture growing out and everything looks clean, it's time to store it in these water vials. I'm going to take the vials and I'm going to add 45 milliliters of water to all of them.
While she's been away, living day to day has been tough. Found her at my side.
Make sure the lids are on loose before you place them in the pressure cooker.
Been rough. No, she won't be gone forever. There are many times I find it feels that.
Once I got all the vials filled up, I'm going to take and put them in this mushroom grow bag. From here, I'll sterilize these at 15 psi for 30 minutes. After the vials have been sterilized, I'll let them cool down. After that, I'll take a few chunks of agar from each plate and place it into the vials.
I'm not trying to forget her, just understand how I'll be feeling on that day. It's just like seeing her for the first time again. It's just like seeing her for the first time again. The time she's not around, somewhere out of town, it's been hard. Somehow this old heart found time to work it out this far. No, I know she's coming home soon. There are times I find it hard to feel that way.
So now that we got our cultures in the vials, we can store these at room temperature and they'll be good to go for years to come. Thank y'all for watching.